In this video today, I will show how to make palm trees for dioramas or wargaming using only paper and carton. To start, I gather the pieces of cardboard to be used for the base, then cut out each layer of the base and glue them down. Once glued, I then glue pieces of paper to the surface of the base as a masking tape substitute. Next, I then use sand and gravel I gathered from outside to be used as ground texture by sprinkling it over the glue-covered surfaces. While the glue is still wet, I make track impressions with a ruler and blade on the ground of where the dirt road will be. Now for the trees, I used pieces of paper. To do this, I rolled them up, then glued the tabs at the end, then lightly bend them to give them their shape. Then twist the ends of the trees to make them pointed. And to give the tree texture, I wrapped and glued a strip of paper around it. And for the leaves, I used carton. Then I cut out small notches into the leaves, fold them, and glued them onto the tree trunk. And with the leftover carton, I made them into grass tufts by cutting out their shape, rolling them up, then spreading out each blade of grass. Once all of these are built, I then move on to painting. I start with the white primer, then base coated the ground with medium brown. I then highlighted the ground texture by dry brushing on pale sand. And for the dirt road, I used beige. For the base color of the water, I used a mixture of part green, flat blue, gold brown, and off-white. On the shallow edge of the water, I used pale brown. I then blend the edges of the two water layers by patting it with a dry brush. And the third water layer, I used a mixture of part green and flat blue, then again pat the edges. then highlighted the ground texture on the dirt road by dry brushing on pale sand. I then added mottle grass by sprinkling it over the glue-covered surfaces. To give the water a realistic appearance, I brush on PVA glue to its surface area. For the jungle floor foliage, I used dead leaves I gathered from outside. I cut them up, then glued them down to the jungle floor. Moving on to painting the trees, for the tree trunk, I use green-brown. The leaves are then painted with Luftwaffe camo green. And the tall grass tufts are painted with a mixture of part green and bright green. Once painted, I then drill holes into the base with the blade, then glue grass tufts into them. Then I glue the palm trees into the holes in the ground. And for the final touches, I used a diluted black-brown as a wash for the dirt road. Then, I added a tank to complete the scene. That's also all for this tutorial. I hope you all like this one.